All right, welcome to this course on MongoDB. Now, MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It's been around for about 5 years, and it's become the most popular database that's not SQL, mostly because its use case fits closely to how applications are built today. With MongoDB, it's possible to build applications quickly, to iterate and change things easily, and to scale to a lot of users if necessary. There are a few things that MongoDB really has going for it. First is its ease of use. MongoDB natively supports JavaScript and uses a native data format that's very close to JavaScript object notation, or JSON. As a result, it's really accessible to any web developer that knows JavaScript, which is pretty much all of them. MongoDB allows you to quickly iterate between different data models, and to a certain extent, change things as you go along without the overhead of SQL schemas. Another big benefit of MongoDB is its easy scalability. It's designed for horizontal scaling, so you can run it on many cheap machines at once, and its document-oriented model can be split up across servers easily. MongoDB automatically handles load and document balancing. All of this combined makes MongoDB really easy to use for most web developers. In this course, we're going to learn what's necessary to get up and running with MongoDB. We're going to go over the core concepts you need to know to work with MongoDB efficiently. We'll learn how to use the various tools, such as the Mongo console, and we'll learn about CRUD operations, creating, reading, updating, and deleting your data. We'll also learn how to aggregate across documents for powerful features. And finally, we'll learn how to design schemas in MongoDB, which is really important if you want to scale your applications, and probably the biggest learning point if you're coming from no databases at all or a traditional database like SQL. MongoDB was designed to be fast, both in performance and development speed. It's flexible and scalable, and adding MongoDB to your toolkit is really useful for any developer.